What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this T6. This is Crystal T6 from Acefast. Yeah, I have been using one of these Crystal T6 for a while now. It's been months actually, and suddenly I have noticed that this one actually offers a very good value for money and offers very good sound quality. As a lot of subscribers and regular viewers have requested me that I should review a set of earbuds which costs less than $40. I have gone through a lot of different set of earbuds and finally I have decided to share this one with you because within $40, I think this one offers the best value for money when you consider everything. Look at these. This one has different type of design. This one comes with LED digital display, and yeah, there are a few quite interesting features. So we are gonna go through the review process, but before that we need to do the unboxing. And before we do the unboxing, there is a request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Well, if you are subscribed to this channel for long enough, then you know that I have loved Acefast products. I have reviewed a few of their products and yeah, they have been doing some good packaging. After opening the top lid, you can say it's in stylish, clear case, 4 mics, LED digital display. Enjoy high quality calls. I'm not sure whether you can read this or not. Look at this. I really like this design. 20 hours of battery life. They have printed this. Cool. And this tiny little thing is really very important. Acefast professionally tuned sound quality. Well, they have different colors. I have chosen this pink one because I like this one. Let's see what things we have got inside the box. The first thing is the charging case and the earbuds. Let's put this aside for a while. There is a silicone protective case included inside the box. And underneath there is another small package. There is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a quick start guide, Acefast has also provided 3 extra set of ear tips. There are actually 4 different sizes. One set of ear tips are already installed on the earbuds, so there are 3 different set of earbuds. You can select the one that fits your ear, which actually provides you better comfort and gets a better tight seal on your ear groove. So it depends on you which one you are gonna use. I'm using the medium-sized ones because the medium-sized ones gets a very good seal, very tight seal on my ear, and I also feel very comfortable. I have never felt any discomfort, or this one have never dropped even when I do some running and jogging. I really like this design. There is this LED digital display which shows the percentage of battery left. This shows the battery percentage of the charging case, and on the left and right there are 2 bars which shows the battery percentage of these earbuds. It's really very easy to take out the earbuds, and it's even easier to put the earbuds inside this charging case. I know you are a bit worried that these earbuds will get dropped or you will lose these earbuds. I was worried too. Yeah, I had this same worry, but after I have done this, because inside this charging case and inside the earbuds there are very strong magnets. The magnetic connection is really super strong. One more time. No, it's truly safe inside this charging case. Acefast have also provided a silicone protective case. The charging case gets a super tight fit inside this silicone protective case, and the earbuds are now super protected. They are not gonna get dropped so easily. To take out the earbuds, we need to use a bit of a force, and it's a bit tricky, but yeah, this one offers more safety. Personally, I'm not gonna use this silicone protective case, but if you want, yeah, then it's a very good addition. I like this see-through transparent charging case. This one looks good. It's built with premium materials, and yeah, this really gives me a different type of outlook and appearance. It's much more fashionable. For outlook and appearance, this Acefast Crystal T6 will get 9 out of 10. For build quality, this one will also get 9 out of 10. And now it's time to check comfort and sound quality. Well, I have already mentioned earlier, these earbuds gives me super comfy feelings, so for comfort I will also give these 9 out of 10. Before I do the sound testing, I must mention there is a touch sensitive area on each of these earbuds. It's truly very responsive and I'm amazed by the response time. Only 3.8 grams each. These earbuds are truly very light. What about the charging case? The charging case itself weighs 32.7 grams, and you need to understand that this charging case actually comes with a 500 mAh battery, and each of these earbuds are packed with 40 mAh battery. These earbuds along with the charging case together will offer 20 hours of battery life, while the earbuds itself will offer 4 hours of battery life. The charging case takes around 2 hours to get fully charged, and the earbuds takes around 1 hour to get fully charged. If you are worried about IP rating, then definitely this set of earbuds comes with IPX4 rating for Crystal T6 earbuds. So yeah, you can use this one without worrying much about your sweat in gym session or when it's raining outside. But I wouldn't recommend you that you wear this one when you are swimming, because this one isn't IP68 rated. Each of these earbuds comes with 6mm dynamic driver, and there are 4 mics, so these earbuds are capable enough to deliver very good environmental noise cancellation. I have tried these earbuds in different environments and ENC works without any issue. Okay, you can see that it's very easy to pair this set of Acefast Crystal T6 with any smartphone. This one supports Bluetooth 5.0 and only a few clicks. Wow. Only 2 clicks, and this one has already got paired with my smartphone. Now it's time to check the performance, the real performance, sound performance of Acefast Crystal T6. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna listen to the same music using 2 different set of earbuds. On my left ear, Acefast Crystal T6, and on my right ear, I'm gonna put another set of earbuds. It's from another brand. This one costs like $69.99 US. I have loved this set of earbuds. So let's see whether Acefast Crystal T6 can do anything better than that or not. So I have 2 of these earbuds connected to 2 different smartphones. Let's listen to the same music at the same time. Let's see how good is the performance. The sound from both of the devices are in sync. Well, I don't need to listen to the same music hours after hours to know that whether a set of earbuds is good or bad. These are really tremendously well. Performance is beyond my expectations, truly. Yeah, there is a bit of a room to improvise the bass, but if you consider the price, only $39.99 US, then it's okay. It's gonna get a thumbs up for very good bass. Vocal, yeah, that's the part where I like this one. This one offers a very good, rich, warm, and crystal clear vocal, because most of the other earbuds within this price segment actually mixes this mid-frequency with high and low frequency, but this one can reproduce vocal without any issue. At the beginning, I have mentioned clearly, they have written it on the box, Acefast have professionally tuned the sound of this set of earbuds, and treble is one of that. Treble is truly professionally tuned, and I can even distinguish between different instruments without any issue, which is almost impossible for many other earbuds to deliver. Well, for sound quality, this one is gonna get 9 out of 10. So overall, this one is gonna get 9 out of 10. Acefast Crystal T6 at $39.99 US is a very good choice. Only 10 minutes of charging will offer you 1.5 hours. That's 90 minutes of usage time. What else can you expect for $40 US? Well, I like this, that's why I'm gonna recommend this to all of my subscribers and regular viewers. If you're in a mood to buy a set of earbuds now, then I think you should go for this Crystal T6. Well, that's all about this Crystal T6. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please take a while, subscribe to this channel, support honest content. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna enjoy music using these set of Crystal T6 earbuds.
I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never run.